Hi makers, I'm excited to bring you along for my first time getting to work with Fa to create a Tongan Kahoa Lei. Support our channel by subscribing and leaving this video a like and a comment. Fa comes from the lauhala tree, and the female trees produce the hala fruit. The lauhala leaves are used for weaving baskets and other items in the Polynesian islands, and other cultures use it as well for weaving. In other countries, it may be called a pandanus tree and screw pine fruit. As far as I know, in the US these trees grow in Hawaii, and it's not something you can order to the mainland like other tropical flowers or fruit. Lauhala trees grow in the Pacific Islands, Southeast Asia, and East Africa. As I was doing some research for this video, I came across some YouTubers eating the hala fruit in Africa. If you're in New Zealand or Australia, I'm really interested to know if it's something that grows in your area and that you have access to. Let us know in the comments. As the hala fruit ripen, they turn from yellow to orange and then to red. When the outside of the fruit is light green to light yellow, it can be harvested and the inside pieces will be yellow. The individual pieces of the fruit are called keys and can be broken off with a hammer or chisel. Pieces of the keys are then shaved off with the knife, and those individual slices are used to make this lei. I was lucky enough to receive this fa from my aunt who lives in Hawaii. She brought it in a Ziploc bag that had a damp paper towel in it, and I kept it in the fridge. It was already shaved into pieces and lasted in the fridge for about 3 to 4 weeks. I made this lei after 3 weeks in the fridge, and you can see the pieces starting to brown in the back and on some of the edges. I'm going to keep my design really simple as it is my first time working with fa. This is the natural shape of the shaved pieces. You can work with them in this shape, but I decided to trim the edges to be more uniform. You can also use pinking shears if you want a zigzag edge. I'm using half circles in my design, and I'm going to do 2 layers following the half circle shape. I used curling ribbon and a needle to sew on each piece of fa. In real time, this took me about 5 minutes. After the first piece, I decided to try using the stapler like I've shown you in my other fresh lei videos using ginger, carnations, and songs of India. This worked well and took about 2 minutes, so I continued using the stapler for the rest of my pieces. I made my Kahoa tea leaf base off camera, but I will link a tutorial showing how to make the tea leaf base. Using ribbon and a needle, I am sewing each completed piece onto the base using 3 stitches. I'm sewing in between the fa pieces and in the center where my string will not show. Once my pieces are sewn on, I'm finishing it with the tea leaf rose. I will link an in-depth tutorial showing how to make tea leaf roses. In addition to fa, you could add layers with any flower like ginger, baby's breath, and songs of India. Here's our finished lei, simple but beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lei tutorials.